Hi children, today we are going to see about the combined shapes. Okay, in this combined shapes we are going to calculate the perimeter and the area. Okay, in exercise 2.2 we have some diagrams there. Look at here. Here it is given like this. Here what's the shape of this? Here it is 10 meter. Here it is 7 meter. Okay, so here 10 and 7, that means it is a rectangle. Okay, so here this is a rectangle, and in that rectangle we have some semicircle also. We are going to find the perimeter of this shape from here to here. This is the perimeter, and we want to find the area of this portion. We want to calculate here. Do you understand the problem? What I am going to do here? If it is 10 meter, here also 10 meter. Okay. If it is 7 meter, even here also 7 meters. This is also 7 meter. If it is 7 meter, we have the half of that is called the radius. This is 7 by 2 meter. Okay. So, we are going to calculate the perimeter. Okay, the first problem, first one, find the perimeter. So, perimeter of this diagram is nothing but, here we have the 10 plus 7 plus this 10 plus the circumference of this semicircle. Circumference of the semicircle. We have the formula for circumference of the semicircle. Isn't it? So that is perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r. For semicircle it is pi r. Okay. This is the semicircle, so we can have pi r. So we can write this as perimeter of the equal to 7 plus 10 plus 10 plus here it is pi r. Which is equal to 27 plus pi is nothing but 22 by 7 into r is 7 by 2. You can cancel here and here. 11 which is equal to 27 plus 11 which is equal to 38 meter. Okay, this is given as meter, so we have to put meter here. Okay. Then I want to find the area. So area equal to, here I have two combined figures. Okay. First I have the combined figure as a rectangle. From that rectangle I want to subtract the area of this semicircle. Okay. So first I want to find the area of rectangle. So area of a rectangle equal to L into B. What is L here? 10. B is 7. Which is equal to 70 meter square. For area we have to put meter square. For perimeter we have to put meter. Okay. And then I want to find the area of this semicircle. So area of a semicircle equal to, the area of the semicircle is pi r square by 2, which is equal to, this pi is 22 by 7. Already I have on 2, so put 2 here, and r is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Here I can cancel 7 and 7. Here 2 and 22 I can cancel here. So the remaining things I have 7 into 7, 11 into 7, 77 by 4, which is equal to. So I can divide this by 4 here. So 1 4s are 4, remaining is 37, 9 4s are 36, and then remaining is 1, put a decimal, and 2 times, and then 5 meter square. So this is the area of semicircle. I want to find the area of the shaded portion here. So area of the shaded portion equal to area of the shaded portion equal to, this 70 minus this 19.25. Okay, is equal to, so you can cancel, subtract here like this, 70.00 and 19.25. You have to put 0 and 0 here because this is the whole number. Okay, here this is the decimal number. So here I can write this as this one, 50.75 meter square. Okay, they ask the area, so the answer is 50.75 meter square. Okay, in the second problem we have the diagram like this. Okay, so here I have 6 centimeter and this is 3.5 centimeter. If it is 6 centimeter, you can say easily this is also 6 centimeter. If it is 3.5 centimeter, we can say this is also 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so I can say this shape is called a rectangle. I have two more quadrants here. Okay, this quadrant, if it is 3.5, I can say this is also 3.5. Here this is 3.5, so we can say this is also 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so I can say the perimeter is nothing but this 6 centimeter plus this 3.5 centimeter plus this quadrant plus 6 centimeter plus this 3.5 centimeter plus this quadrant. So if we add all the things, we can get the perimeter of the given combined shape. Okay, so we can say easily, you can add these things easily. Okay, so perimeter equal to 6 plus 3.5 plus, I can add the numbers first, 3.5 plus, I have two quadrants, here one quadrant and here one quadrant. So I want to find the perimeter of that. So two quadrant is equal to one semicircle. Okay, so I can say this one semicircle is, the length of one semicircle is pi r. Okay, so what is pi? Here it is given already, 22 by 7 into, what is r here? 3.5. So if you add these things, 9.5 plus 9.5 plus this thing. So you can cancel here. This is 0.5. So here 19 plus, if you multiply this 11, so it is equal to 30. This 30 centimeter is a perimeter of the given shape. Okay. Now I want to find the area of the given shape here. Okay. That area, we have the rectangle and here one quadrant and here one quadrant. We have to add everything, then we will get the whole area. So I want to find the area. For this area, I have the rectangle. So for this rectangle, formula of area of the rectangle is L into B. What is the L here? 6. What is B here? 3.5 centimeter. So if you multiply everything, 21.0, this much of centimeter square. You can cancel the 0. Simply I have 21 centimeter square. Okay, and then I have two more quadrants there. So the two quadrants, I want to write the formula for area. For area, circle is pi r square. Correct? We have two quadrants only there. Okay, for the quadrants, what we can say, pi r square by 4. How many quadrants we have? Two quadrants. So I want to find the area of two quadrants. Equal to 2 into, for this quadrants I have pi r square by 4. So it's nothing but 2. This is equal to, this pi is 22 by 7 into r is 3.5 into 3.5 here I have one 2, isn't it? So I want to put this 2 here. Cancel. So I can get like this, which is equal to 11 into, I can cancel this 7 and this one, 0.5. So I want to multiply 11 into 0.5 into 3.5. Okay. So which is equal to 19.25 centimeter square. So this is the area of 2 quadrants. Okay. Then I want to find the total area. How to find the total area? By adding this 2 quadrants, area of 2 quadrants and the area of the rectangle. So I want to find the total area. Total area equal to, here I can say this 21 plus 19.25, which is equal to 40.25 centimeter square. This is the total area of the given shape.